Hi there and welcome to another tutorial on how to optimize and automate your business processes. My name is Uwe. I'm the founder of InvoiceBerry, a simple and intuitive online invoicing software for small businesses, solopreneurs and freelancers. Today we're looking at Tally.so, which is a very simple way of creating forms and surveys and feedback forms, NPS forms, lead generation forms, any kind of forms. Almost all features there are for free, or you can upgrade at I think around $25 per month or $250 a year. Today what we're looking at is, once we created a form, how we can get that data from the form via Zapier into InvoiceBerry and how to set up a new client. You could also automatically send an email. It just really depends on your form. So I've created a test account and I created a lead generation form using one of the templates Tally offers me. So let's click here, let's click on edit. Yes, here's a lead generation form. I'm just asking for a few information, my first name, last name, email, and company name. So let's go to Zapier and connect Tally with InvoiceBerry. And the trigger is a very simple new response that gets sent to Tally, and then we want to create a client. We could also create an invoice, but let's create a client for now. Click on try it and get started. Now we have to connect Tally. Just click on connect and on accept. Then we select our account and now we have to select the form. In this case, it's my lead generation form. I click on next. It gets some test data from Tally and now I need to connect my InvoiceBerry account. Again, click on connect and then you need an API key and an API password. For that, go to InvoiceBerry, click on settings, main settings and integrations. And there you can just request a key, click on copy, paste it here, go back to InvoiceBerry, check the API password, click on copy, paste it here and click on continue. Now we just have to wait for a moment and now it's done. So we connected our InvoiceBerry account. You can see here the InvoiceBerry sample LLC. That's my test account. I click on next and now Zapier already offers me a few fields that I might want to take from Tally to InvoiceBerry. Company name, email, first name, last name, and that's it. Yeah, I didn't ask for any other information in my lead generation form. Obviously, you could also ask for phone numbers or address details. Let's click on next, and it already pre-populates things that make sense, company name with company name, email with email, and so on. Let's click on next. This is the sample data from Tally. Let's send a test. All right, the test was sent. Let's go to our InvoiceBerry account, click on clients, and there we have it. That's the test data we received. So let's do one more thing. Let's actually go back to Tally and go to our lead generation form. And that is the link. And let's just open it and let's fill this out. James Smith, James InvoiceBerry. All right, submit. And that should also be in InvoiceBerry any moment. Oh, I forgot to activate this SAP. I actually have to turn it on, so that's a very good reminder to do that. Let's wait a moment. Turning on your SAP. Okay, let's go back here and try that once more. Now it's chain. Let's see if it works this time. Let's refresh this. Okay, even the first test went through after I activated the SAP, so that's great. And the second test went through. So there you have it. This is how you connect Tally with InvoiceBerry in order to send lead generation forms to your website visitors or your customers. And once they fill them out, you can automatically create new invoices or new clients for those form submissions. Thanks a lot for listening. And if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bye bye and happy invoicing.